Hi everyone, it's the first phonics lesson of our week, and this week I've decided to do my phonics lessons from my beanbag. I've not enjoyed my beanbag much, and I thought I'm going to enjoy my beanbag a bit more this week. We've had a bit of an issue with the cards. The sounds that I want to do today, I can't find them anywhere, so I think that maybe I need to invest in some new flashcards for the new year. Because we've been enjoying them so much. But I have a plan, and I'm going to be able to show you the sounds, but I'm going to have to make them by putting cards together, which is quite tricky because as I'm looking at the camera now, everything is back to front. So I need to try and get it back to front for me so that I know it's the right way around for you. So I am sorry if I get them wrong in a moment. Please try not to laugh too hard. So let's start off with our normal sounds. Say the sounds as you see them. Brilliant. So today we are learning two sounds, and I did just practice this, and now I think I'm going to get it wrong. So the first sound we're doing today is wah, wah, wah. The next sound we're doing, if I pop this here, is, and I've got my teeth on my lip for. So we've got wah, and remember we say our pure sound, so we're not saying wah, we're saying wah, wah. It's quite breathy, isn't it? Wah, wah, and with our teeth. Okay, so see my plan. Hopefully it worked. If not, I'm sure you'll tell me that I've got them back to front and upside down. Ooh, sending them all over the room. So let me share my screen with you. Here we go. Oh, I've pressed a button. Oh, it's having a think now. Oh, you'll have to bear with me. What are you doing, silly laptop? There we go. So, there are sounds. And so, here are two magic hands writing the sounds for you. So we have a tall letter this time. So we do our diagonal that we did last week, and then we start at the top, all the way down, back up, round and flick. That's number one, and there's number two. Lazy and low and tall this time, all the way down to that bottom line, back up and round. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and flick for. There we go. Oh, here are some words for you to have a go at reading them. Remember, some of them will be rubbish alien words, but you can use your phonics to unpick them. Some of them will be words that you might have heard of before. Have a go at reading those, thinking of those sounds. And okie dokie. Have a look at those pictures then. What could they be? Thinking they're a or a. What could they be? If you've worked it out, have a go at writing them down. I think that first one looks a little bit like a eel, wheel, eel, wheel. And the second one, I suppose, a few people might have come up with different ideas. That's called the alphabet, alphabet. Some people might have chosen to say phonics, because they're all the letters that we use in our phonics. Both of those have the sound in phonics or alphabet. Pick which one you'd like to write down. Okie dokie, listen carefully, then I'm going to say some words and I want you to write them down. Can you write down the word graph? Graph. 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 The next one I'd like you to write down for me is the word weem. Weem. Made up word. Weem. Weem. So we've done graph and weem. Oh, have a go at reading that. It's the question. Is it a yes/no question? Is it a different kind of question? Have a go at reading it. Is it one that you can answer? Let's have a go at reading it together from the start. Itch, which is a dolphin, 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 which is a dolphin, better, at, which is a dolphin, better at, jumping, or swimming, which is a dolphin, better at, jumping or swimming. I think probably swimming, although they are pretty good at jumping out of the water, aren't they? I think probably swimming, but it's up to you. You decide which you think a dolphin is better at, jumping or swimming. Okay, listen carefully then, because I'd like you to write a sentence for me. Your sentence needs a capital letter. It needs finger spaces and it needs some sort of punctuation. You decide. Does it need a full stop? Does it need an exclamation mark to really push it out? Does it need a question mark? Is it asking a question? You decide. The sentence I'd like you to write for me is phonics is about sounds. So you're using that ow sound twice there. Phonics. Phonics is about sounds. Let's count how many words. Phonics is about sounds. 4 words. It's quite a short one, but there are some tricky sounds there. Phonics is about sounds. Phonics is about sounds. Hopefully you put a full stop at the end of that sentence. Phonics is about sounds. It's just a statement, just needs a full stop at the end. If I went a bit quick for you, you can whiz back if you need to. So off I went around my house to find something featuring or, and I thought I could show you my bike with its wheel, or I could show you my phonics flashcards, or I could show you my mobile phone. Hope you enjoyed phonics lesson number 1. Sorry the flashcards weren't right, and I'm sorry we had a little computer error there. You can tell it's Monday morning, can't you? Enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye everyone.